Is your DeWALT battery not charging? Let's take a look at 2 ways to fix a DeWALT battery that isn't charging. Ryan here for everyone's favorite outdoor and handyman channel. You may know it as Silly Reviews. We're on location in the beautiful countryside of Georgia, working on clearing some property of these little annoying stumps using a sawzall. These thin tree stumps, perfect work for a DeWALT sawzall. Now these battery packs were recently repacked by my very talented younger brother. Thank you so much, Jay.
Fresh power.
Unfortunately, when juice started running low, I went to charge these for the first time in the DeWALT charger, and they were not charging. First fix for this: if your DeWALT battery packs are not charging, plug it in. Make sure you have it plugged in. And on these types of chargers, when you first plug them in, the light will come on for just a second or two to let you know that it is juiced up and it is ready to receive your insertion of your DeWALT battery pack. You can see the light just came on there. Try to get you a better look. The battery charger is energized. It should be ready to go. But once you plug in your battery again, if you still do not see a flashing light, which will indicate the battery is charging, fix number 2, apply pressure. You need to apply constant, steady pressure with something flat and heavy that can balance on top so you don't have to stand there for an hour pressing down on it with your hand. I have this large stone here, perfect fitment. This is the fix number 2 for applying pressure. You can set it, you can forget it. You can see here the light is flashing. This indicates the charge is going. That's the second way to fix your DeWALT battery if it is not charging. It's pretty easy to understand. When you use something, you're going in and out of it all the time for years and years, it's gonna get loose, okay? The goose will get loose, and you need to fix that by applying pressure with something heavy. And your DeWALT batteries should charge again, just like we see here. And again, bring that pressure to the front. And if you don't get it just right, you will get a rapid flash. That means the connection, the ground, the positive, something on it is just not right. Fiddle with it, play with it, you will get it just perfect. You'll be back to charging.
And that's when Daddy called me over to say, "Hey Ray, won't you go and grab your fishing pole and meet Daddy over down by the fishing hole? This ain't easy, so to the point, no time to take up. Your sister said she wants to break up. I know you're probably thinking it's because of me.